Do you want to change your Play Store country or region? This 5-minute solution gonna show you how to exactly change Play Store country, and just follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. Go ahead and open your Play Store app and make sure to sign into your account. And now tap on your profile photo and just tap on payments and subscriptions. Under payment and subscriptions, tap on payment methods. And now tap on more payment settings. And here tap on this hamburger menu at the top left corner and just tap on settings. And now I'm scrolling down under payments profile section. As you can see, currently my Play Store country and region is Australia, and now I'll show you how to change this country and region. To do that, you have to create a new profile for your Play Store account. So once you are in this page, you have to tap on this pencil icon next to country and region. And here we can see you need to create a new payments profile when you move to a new country or region. So all you have to do is just tap on create new profile and tap on continue. And now tap on this choose a country or region drop down, and all you have to need, go ahead and select your new country or region for your Play Store. So let's select here Iceland and tapping on continue. And now in this name and address fields, you have to carefully enter your name, address, and in this address line 2 you have to enter your address line 2. And after that, after entering your address, on submit. And here, as you can see, I've successfully created a new payment profile. Now tapping on view profile. And here, as you can see, my new profile created, and currently my Play Store country and region is Iceland. So this is how we can easily change our Play Store country. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.